got the full doors back on the Jeep. I got a cargo net that I just found in my shed. Not sure when I bought that, but it may have been given to me, I'm not sure. I got a bunch of stuff to donate for my friend, and then I'm bringing the soft top to my friend down in Richmond. She's selling me her hardtop for a discounted rate. Decided that I need the hardtop earlier. It's too hot. This is the bikini top. I had to put it on. I drove the Jeep without anything on it except for the half doors, and it was so hot. It was like 105 that day, and it just felt like hot air blowing down. I did need to drive it quite a bit that day because the battery, I had to jump start the Jeep because the battery was just done, so nothing fits the cup holders, the 1993 cup holders. Pulled over on the side of the freeway because the bikini top came off. I think I'm just gonna take it completely off. It just won't stay. Okay, so I just put the soft top underneath the suitcase, or the bikini top, excuse me. The soft top is pretty heavy. I don't think it'll go anywhere. I guess we'll find out. But I have no hat, no sunscreen. Here's the stuff in the back. There are days where I just really hate my Jeep. All right, off we go. It's so hot. Luckily the wind will help. Hopefully it's muggy today, but it's not really that hot. It's like in the 80s. So I hope everything stays put. I still have like an hour and 40 minutes to go.
I'm at least in a long sleeve sweatshirt, so that's not long enough. I gotta find a longer one. And if you want to, we can go take a look at the red Jeep real quick so you can see.
I had the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice. It's intact. Watch it like falls off.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Yeah, shocks make a difference. It's not falling on your head.
Nice.
Recommend. Like, this just pops out.
Okay. Cool. Alright, here's what we did. Got that in the stereo. We're gonna redo the transmission. Oh, okay. We're gonna redo the steering. Got some other parts in there we'll put in once we're done. The vent, it's coming together. Watch this fall on it.
We want to lift that up because you got to make sure it plugs into that plug back there. There's two plugs.
Okay.
I think if you plug it in first.
Oh, okay.
See how it plugs in?
Oh, I
back?
see. Yeah, yeah.
If you, move the mesh. So, yeah. And then once you plug it in, it should just like fit. It just stays on its own. Yep. And then you just have to screw here, there, yep, there, and then there, and then on this side. And screw where that hole is on that black. Yep,
right here?
Yep, through there. Yep. Okay. Sorry, I couldn't see if that was what you were doing the first time. Bottom one.
Well, if you're thinking of a Christmas present for me, just one of these. Actually, I do need some of these like short little stubby ones.
Okay, cool. That's good to know. Short Christmas
I don't need
present.
pink, but
I love it. I don't need pink.
any color will do.
All right, then you got two over here. And one down there. Yep.
We have a speedometer, people.
We have a speedometer.
My brother has one. It doesn't work.
Really?
It was Toyota.
That's hilarious.
All right.
Sweet. Now we got an in. You want to do that top part that goes over the...
So this is making a lot of noise, probably because it's not latched, but it won't latch. My old Jeep had these to clamp down on, but this one does not. So I'm gonna take the highway home instead of the freeway.